Hello friends. Now this is testing time for the definite article the. Let's see, we have done quite a lot of work on the definite article the, where to use the, where not to use the, these things we have already seen. Now in these test frames, these are called test frames. Test frames. Test frames. So you call them test frames. You will see that many of these sentences, some of them you can use the, some of them you cannot use. So which one you are going to use the, which you should not use the, depends on your knowledge of what we have been doing so far. You remember, no? That is a plural noun representing the inhabitants of a whole country, you use the. For example, we said the French, etc. You have seen all these things, so and therefore now go straight into the test. Sentence 1. Town hall is not far away. What are we to do there? Should you use the or not? The sentence is wrong, you have to use the. The town hall. Why? Because we have seen that, you remember that departments, then halls, then you have what, cinema theatres, and so universities, municipal departments, government departments, etc. You have to use the. So here you have to say, that town hall is not far away. Understand that? Are you following me? Yes, very good. So the second one you can see, Everest is the highest peak in the world. Naturally you will think that you have to use the, but don't use it. Why? Because it is a single mountain or a single peak. When do you use the with mountain ranges and hills? When it's a ranges, many mountains together, or hills like Nilgiri Hills, or you have got the Pyrenees, or you have got the Alps and so on, or the Himalayas. You will see a sentence like that. So here is it, the sentence is perfectly alright. No need of using the here because Everest is a single peak. Understand? And now the third sentence you can see, have you been to Vindhya Satpura mountains? So there you have to use the, because Vindhya Satpura mountains is a range of mountains. So here you have to say to the Vindhya Satpura mountains. Down we went into the mountains. Oh sorry, I already said that. That is, you remember a line from, famous line from the poem T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland. So he said, down we went into the mountains. If it is mountain, there is no need of using that. But here it is into the mountains. Down we went into the mountains. Okay. Now sentence 5 or test frame 5, you will see, it is very hot in Sahara. Well, should you use the or not? You should. Why? Because it is desert. So you have to say in the Sahara. Okay? Fine. Himalayas function as a natural fort to India. Himalayas, mountain ranges. So you have to use the. The Himalayas. Alright? Correct. Do you have a plan to visit Nilgiri Hills? Should you use the or not? You should use the. Why? Because Nilgiri Hills, you have got many hills. The range, range of hills. So you have to use the. Visit the Nilgiri Hills. Okay, next. 8. Silent Valley is the abode of many rare birds. So valleys, geographical features like valleys, mountains, mountain ranges, ranges of hills, and then deserts, etc. You have to use the. So this is Silent Valley, therefore you should say the Silent Valley is the abode of many birds. Brahmaputra is in floods. What does that mean? This is flooded. That is. So that means should you use the or not? You should. Why? Because it is the name of a river. With the names of rivers you use the. So here it is. The Brahmaputra is in floods. Okay, Arabian Sea is violent today. Why it is violent we don't know. For some reason maybe we have no idea about that. But the question here is, the test frame is that Arabian Sea is So what you have to do, you have to use the, because why? Because you have to use the with the seas, oceans and rivers and canals. So there is a rule like that, you remember that. So here it is, the Arabian Sea you have to say. Okay, Jews live in Israel. Should you use the or not? You have to use the, why? Because Jews represents that's a representing the plural noun representing the inhabitants of a whole country. Like the French live in France, the Italians live in Italy, the Indians live in India, the Jews live in Israel. The is required. Alright, are you following me? Yes. I met a lady in the woods. Lady was very beautiful. So then what should we do there? That is the second use, you remember. When you are using the same noun a second time, then you have to use the. Because there it is particularizing or specifying. So you say the lady. The lady. I met a lady. Pacific Ocean is very calm these days. That also we have no idea why is it very calm. Sometimes it can also go violent. That's a different thing. Now the question here is, should you use the or not? You should use the. Why? Because it is the name of ocean. Ocean, seas, rivers, canals, etc. You have to use the. So we said the Pacific Ocean. Calicut University offers job-oriented courses. Almost all the universities now these days offer, but this is our test frame. Calicut University, should you use the or not? No. Why? Because there is a place name. Calicut is the name of a place name. But if you say University of Calicut, you have to say. Alright, very good. And then next, you have to say there is no need of the here. Therefore, you can say. Okay, Brahmaputra is the lifeline of Kerala. Not Brahmaputra, but Bharatapura, sorry. Not Brahmaputra, but Bharatapura. Bharatapura is the lifeline of Kerala. It's a river, and then therefore you have to use the. Look at this. Very good. So all the 15 sentences we have together corrected. I hope that once again I will go through this town hall, etc. You know what is the rule that covering? That is halls, then departments and so on. That is the rule. Government and municipal departments, etc. Everest, single. So know the. How we went to the Vindhya, mountain ranges. Down we went into the mountains, plural, and therefore the. It is very hot in the Sahara, name of a desert. The Himalayas, mountain ranges. Do you have a plan to visit the Nilgiri hills? Because it is ranges of hills. The Silent Valley, because valleys you have to use. The Brahmaputra is in floods. That is the name of the river. The Arabian Sea, name of a sea. The Jews live, name of a plural noun representing a whole people. I have lady in the lady, because second use of the same noun. I remember I told you once upon a time there lived a king, the king was. And then you have got Calicut University, no need of the, because it begins with a place name. Like we don't say the Oxford University or the Cambridge University, we don't say Oxford University, Cambridge University, that's all. And then you have got Bharatapura is the lifeline of Kerala, because it is a name of a river. I think that this testing time you have enjoyed very well, and so if you have enjoyed, you should share it with your friends and also subscribe. Thank you very much for listening and taking the test. We will see again with another dose of testing.